as always, thank you for joining me. I am Bev from Inkwell Arts, and today's craft session I thought we could look at some lovely decorations. It is going to be Halloween soon, and I know you're all looking super forward to it. I know that we're going to be stuck in our houses, maybe not able to trick or treat, so I know that at our house we're going to go crazy with decorations inside this year to make ourselves feel a little bit more excited about it. So today I'm going to show you how to make a couple of different scary jar designs. We're going to make a jar with some spiders in it, and we're also going to make a jar that looks like a mummy. And then these double up as great little lights then that you can have dotted around your houses. So without further ado, let's get on with the first lamp. Alright, so for this first one we are going to need a jar. This is a bought jar, but of course if you've got any that you can recycle that you've used for your dinner or whatever, then that's even better. Then you're going to need to grab yourself some spiders. I bought these just cheap from one of the shops. There's quite a few of them in there. And then you're going to need as well some cotton wool or some kind of stuffing or something like that. And you're going to put that into your jar. You are also going to need some lights. So it's totally up to you where you go with this. If you've got the little battery powered tea lights, then those are great. I've got some string lights here, to have a little switch on them. So you're going to want to, if you're using string lights, you're going to want to try and distribute them sort of as evenly as you can in the jar. So I'm just going to put a few in at first and then stuff it a bit with cotton wool. I'm just ripping up the cotton wool here so that it looks a bit more like sort of spider's webs. So once you've got enough cotton wool in there, I would put some more string lights in then, and then you can pack it with more cotton wool, and you can add a few sort of spiders in along the way. And then once you're happy with how much you've got in then, it's time to test it. So, here's my spooky spider jar. And now I'm going to show you how to make a mummified jar. So again, we'll need another jar. And then you've got options in terms of how to make this. I've got a piece of fabric here, but if you've got some old bandages that you could use up, then that would be a great option. And I'm just going to get some strips going. I'm going to tear it just so it looks a bit more rustic. And these strips you're going to then wrap around your jar. Once you've got a couple of strips, you need to think about what else you're going to need. I've got some googly eyes here, but you could use buttons as eyes, or little gems, or whatever you can find around the house. Easy to tuck your ends in underneath. And then once you've got your jar looking a bit like a mummy, then you need to get your eyeballs glued on. And then once you've got your eyes glued on, you'll need to add your light. And there you have it. So, 2 super easy Halloween lights for you to have around the house on Halloween. I think these are great. I don't know about you. Really easy to make and really effective. I'll have these dotted around my house this Halloween. Maybe you'll have some too. Alright guys, well we'll see you next week for some more Halloweeny fun. Take care of yourselves until then. Bye.